Hello Donut fam, Glazy here. D0 as your trading assistant is able to summarize how you performed and at which points you could make progress every day. For example, you can tell D0, set me up a daily post-market recap for Hynix and MU, and let D0 handle the rest. Here's how D0 reasons in each step. Step 1. Intent parsing. D0 breaks it into 4 pieces. Daily means a recurring job. Hynix and MU means 2 different tickers. P and L means it needs your positions. And do better means it needs your actual trade history to give you specific feedback. Step 2. Self-check. Before making any moves, D0 asks itself, do I have his positions? His trade log? Can I schedule tasks? If any answer is no, it tells you what's missing instead of faking it. Step 3. Pipeline. D0 pulls prices from both markets, compute real P and L from your positions, cross-reference today's market events against your actual trades to generate one concrete takeaway, then set a cron trigger for 7:30 a.m. daily. Step 4. Execute. D0 assembles the final output. Behind these 2 lines, 5 tools ran across several markets, a scheduling pipeline was built, and the system is now self-running. 1 sentence in, a working system out. Does the loop seem amazing? All thanks to D0. If that sounds useful, follow us on X and YouTube for more tutorials, and try D0 at getdonut.ai. Donut.